LKFF launched in 2001. It is the biggest festival of its kind, showcasing films that are produced by Kurdish directors or include themes related to the Kurdish people, created by Kurdish or non-Kurdish directors for UK audiences. So we produced 10 film festivals since 2001. We need to protect the Kurdish arts and culture because this is our outlet, our legacy, our way to claim the narrative back to our own hands. We hold a responsibility to support Kurdish filmmakers and be that platform where these stories can be recognized and celebrated. To be the platform that can bring the tools and opportunities to aid filmmakers to begin and complete their future projects. We want to fairly represent every region of Kurdistan and diversity of the Kurdish people worldwide.
We are a group of volunteers who try to bring Kurdish films from all around the world together. These can be documentaries, fiction, animations, and these can be short or feature-length films. These are vitally important and culturally very significant films. With your help, we will be able to expand this platform and to become more efficient and with a wider reach.
So, what does the future look like for LKFF? We're looking to use your support to fund the next stage in Kurdish cinema. We want to develop a project referred to as the Kurdish National Film Archive. This will host all Kurdish cinema available for you all throughout the year so that you don't have to wait for the next film festival to get your dose of Kurdish films. The next part of our funding we want to allocate towards having a studio for the LKFF team, which we haven't had for the last 19 years of the festival. We also want to use that space as a venue for our masterclasses, our workshops, and give that kind of tools and education for our future filmmakers to be able to use that when they make their projects.
Lastly, we would like to provide paid opportunities for work at this festival. And for that very reason, we want to be able to pay our volunteers what they deserve. And so part of the funds will be used to attract a wider audience and to be able to expand our reach to other parts of the UK and the world. Because every year we have work that requires specialized services such as translators, graphic designers, web developers, illustrators, videographers, and marketers. We want to promote collaboration and expand networking opportunities.
We ask your support because we want to better this festival and bring the most inclusive platform available for everyone. Help us achieve the future of LKFF. We want you to be the part of this ever-growing community of film lovers and filmmakers. Thank you.